Attention car enthusiasts! Today, we're revealing 20 new automotive tools on Amazon you can't miss. From clever gadgets that save time to innovative tools that make car repairs a breeze, these picks are changing the game for DIYers and pros alike. Stick around till the end. Some of these tools are so surprising, you'll wonder how you ever worked without them. Number 1. HJKLIUT Car Clip Remover Pliers. The HJKLIUT Car Clip Remover Pliers make removing door panels, trim, and fasteners quick and damage-free. Designed with strong steel tips and ergonomic handles, these pliers grip clips securely while protecting your vehicle's surfaces. Lightweight and durable, they reduce strain during repetitive work, making interior and exterior trim removal effortless. Perfect for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts alike, this tool saves time and prevents costly scratches or breaks when working on any car project. Number 2. LifeHammer Car Escape Tool 4-in-1. Safety first with the LifeHammer Car Escape Tool 4-in-1. It combines a seatbelt cutter, emergency glass breaker, LED flashlight, and safety hammer in a compact, easy-to-carry design. Built from durable materials, it's ready for roadside emergencies or accident situations. Simple to use and accessible in your car, this multifunctional tool gives peace of mind while driving. A must-have for every vehicle owner, it ensures you can escape safely and quickly when it matters most. Number 3. Launch CRP 123 IV 2.0 OBD 2 Scanner. The Launch CRP 123 IV 2.0 OBD 2 Scanner is perfect for diagnosing engine, ABS, SRS, and transmission issues. Its intuitive interface provides real-time data and code reading, making it easy to identify problems quickly. Compact and portable, it's compatible with most vehicles and ideal for both professional mechanics and DIYers. With fast response and clear error codes, this scanner saves time and effort on repairs, helping you maintain your vehicle efficiently and with confidence. Number 4. Half-inch air impact wrench 8,000 RPM. Take on stubborn bolts effortlessly with this 1/2-inch air impact wrench. Delivering up to 8,000 RPM, it provides high torque for removing lug nuts, suspension bolts, and heavy fasteners quickly. The lightweight design and ergonomic handle reduce fatigue, while the durable metal housing ensures longevity. Perfect for professional garages or home workshops, this wrench speeds up tough automotive tasks and makes challenging jobs more efficient, saving both time and effort. Number 5. StartPro Portable 150 PSI Tire Inflator. Keep your tires properly inflated with the StartPro Portable Tire Inflator. Capable of pumping up to 150 PSI, it's ideal for cars, SUVs, and bicycles. The compact, lightweight design makes it easy to store in your trunk, and the digital display ensures precise pressure readings. Whether you're topping off tires on the go or handling emergencies, this inflator delivers fast, reliable performance, helping maintain vehicle safety and fuel efficiency effortlessly. Number 6. Mini Cordless Tire Pump with Digital Gauge. The Mini Cordless Tire Pump combines portability and convenience for on-the-go inflation. Its digital gauge provides accurate readings, while the rechargeable battery allows quick tire inflation anywhere. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for cars, motorcycles, and bicycles. Lightweight and easy to operate, this pump is an essential tool for emergencies or routine tire maintenance. Save time and avoid the hassle of manual pumping with this efficient, modern automotive accessory. Number 7. GEVEELIFE 1600 watts Car Buffer Polisher. Polish your car to a showroom. Shine with the GEVEELIFE 1600 watts Car Buffer Polisher. Its powerful motor delivers smooth, consistent rotation for removing scratches, swirls, and oxidation. Adjustable speed settings let you handle delicate surfaces with precision, and the ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue. Suitable for cars, motorcycles, and boats, this buffer polisher gives professional-level results at home, making detailing quick, effortless, and satisfying. Number 8. ZIKEE leather seat cushion. Enhance driving comfort with the ZIKEE leather seat cushion. Made from high-quality, breathable leather, it supports posture and reduces pressure during long drives. The non-slip backing keeps it securely in place, while the stylish design complements any car interior. Ideal for daily commutes, road trips, or professional drivers, this cushion improves comfort and ergonomics, helping you arrive relaxed and strain-free every time you hit the road. Number 9. FLYKID 12-volt tire inflator with LED light. Inflate tires anytime with the FLYKID 12-volt tire inflator, featuring a built-in LED light for night or emergency use. Compact and easy to store, it plugs into your car's cigarette lighter and delivers fast, accurate inflation. Perfect for cars, motorcycles, and bicycles, it ensures your tires are properly inflated on the go. Durable and reliable, this inflator provides peace of mind for roadside emergencies and everyday tire maintenance. Number 10. Desin Extendable Car Windshield Cleaner. Keep your windshield spotless with the Desin Extendable Car Windshield Cleaner. Its telescopic handle and soft absorbent head reach high or wide areas without scratching glass. The ergonomic design reduces wrist strain, while the durable construction ensures years of use. Ideal for rain, dust, or snow, it makes cleaning your car exterior easy and efficient. This handy tool saves time and effort, giving you clear visibility and a polished finish with every use. Number 11. YONHAN 10. A smart car battery charger. Charge and maintain your vehicle battery safely with the YONHAN 10, a smart car battery charger. It automatically detects battery type and adjusts current for efficient, damage-free charging. With overcharge and short-circuit protection, it ensures safety and prolongs battery life. Compact and easy to use, it works for cars, motorcycles, and boats, whether for emergency use or routine maintenance. This smart charger keeps your battery ready and reliable, saving time and stress. Number 12. Adjustable car seat headrest pillow. Travel comfortably with the adjustable car seat headrest pillow. Its ergonomic design supports your neck and head, reducing fatigue during long drives. The soft, breathable memory foam adapts to your shape, while the adjustable strap keeps it securely in place. Perfect for road trips, commuting, or passenger comfort, this pillow enhances your driving experience. Lightweight, portable, and stylish, it makes every journey more relaxing and strain-free for both driver and passengers. Number 13. Undercarriage 16-inch pressure washer. Attachment. Clean your car's underbody thoroughly with the 16-inch undercarriage pressure washer attachment. Designed to attach to standard pressure washers, it sprays water evenly across hard-to-reach areas. Durable and corrosion-resistant, it removes dirt, grime, and road salt effectively. Quick to install and easy to use, this tool saves time and effort while protecting your car from rust and buildup. A must-have accessory for keeping vehicles clean and maintaining long-term performance. Number 14. 10.26 inches wireless CarPlay screen with dash cam. Upgrade your driving experience with the 10.26 inches wireless CarPlay screen featuring a built-in dash cam. It offers seamless smartphone integration, hands-free navigation, and real-time video recording for safety. The touchscreen is responsive and easy to control, while the dash cam records high-definition footage, perfect for entertainment, navigation, and security. This device modernizes your car interior, making technology both functional and enjoyable during every ride. Number 15. FLORICH Leather Car Organizer Between Seats. Keep your car interior tidy with the FLORICH Leather Car Organizer. Designed to fit between seats, it holds phones, drinks, and small items securely. Made from high-quality leather, it's durable, stylish, and easy to clean. Prevents clutter and lost items while driving, making your car more organized and convenient. Lightweight, yet sturdy, this organizer is perfect for everyday use, road trips, or busy commutes, helping you keep essentials within easy reach. Number 16. BATOCA Cordless Car Polisher with Batteries. The BATOCA Cordless Car Polisher delivers professional polishing power without cords. Its rechargeable batteries provide long runtime, while variable speed control handles delicate and tough surfaces alike. Lightweight and ergonomic, it reduces hand fatigue during extended use. Perfect for removing scratches, swirls, and oxidation, it gives cars a glossy, smooth finish quickly and efficiently. Ideal for home or professional detailing, this cordless polisher makes car care effortless. Number 17. Alla Lighting 912/921 LED Reverse Bulbs. Upgrade your visibility with Alla Lighting 912/921 LED Reverse Bulbs. These high-brightness, energy-efficient LEDs offer clear illumination for safer reversing at night or in low-light conditions. Long-lasting and easy to install, they replace standard halogen bulbs without modifications. Perfect for cars, trucks, and SUVs, these bulbs enhance safety while adding a modern look. Durable and reliable, they're a simple upgrade that makes a big difference for driving confidence. Number 18. 180 PSI Cordless Smart Tire Inflator. Keep tires at optimal pressure with the 180 PSI Cordless Smart Tire Inflator. Its digital display ensures precise inflation, while the rechargeable battery allows use anywhere. Compact yet powerful, it works on cars, motorcycles, and bicycles. The built-in safety features prevent overinflation, and the LED light aids nighttime use. Portable, efficient, and reliable, this tire inflator makes maintaining proper tire pressure fast and convenient for any driver. Number 19. 40-inch mechanic creeper with tool tray work comfortably under your vehicle with the 40-inch mechanic creeper. Padded for comfort and equipped with a tool tray, it keeps your body supported and tools within reach. The low-profile design slides easily under cars, while heavy-duty wheels ensure smooth movement. Perfect for garage or home use, this creeper makes undercarriage repairs safer, faster, and less strenuous. Durable, practical, and built for convenience, it's a must-have for every automotive enthusiast. Number 20. Orion Motor Tech 5-ton bearing puller. Remove bearings, gears, and pulleys effortlessly with the Orion Motor Tech 5-ton bearing puller. Its heavy-duty construction provides strength and stability for tough jobs, while the adjustable arms fit various sizes. Ideal for automotive or industrial applications, it ensures controlled, precise removal without damage. Durable, reliable, and professional grade, this puller simplifies challenging tasks, making mechanical work faster, safer, and more efficient in any garage or workshop. And that's a wrap on these 20 new automotive tools on Amazon that make work effortless. From powerful polishers to smart diagnostic gadgets, each tool helps you save time, work smarter, and tackle every car project with ease.